Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland and this is my studio. In today's drawing tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to draw an old lantern. We're going to have a center line, a whole bunch of ovals. I think you're going to love it. Come on, let's get to drawing. Okay, first thing we want to do is to draw a center line down the center of your page. Draw this lightly because we're going to use this to draw on top of and build our lantern. First thing we're going to do is to draw our dome. This is going to be like a sphere, our glass dome, and this will have our light inside of it. We're going to be drawing a lot of ovals for this lantern drawing. So we're going to use the center line to draw those ovals. And the thing is, when you're drawing ovals, you want to make sure they mirror or reflect each other across that center line. So try and draw your ovals so they're perfectly balanced on either side of that center line. Draw lightly. Let's get the bottom section here. This is where you would store some of the oil. And notice that as I draw the lower end of my lantern, I'm really trying to think these ovals as even wider than the ones toward the top. That's because when you get closer to your eye line, the ovals will get much more narrower. Look at the example I have on the right hand side. All right, let's get the base down here. Now that I've got some lighter lines in, I'm going to go back in and darken some of my lines.
Oh, hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
You can actually, if you want to try and see how the ovals change, if you grab a plate and you hold that plate flat right in front of you, and you raise that plate up to your eye level, you will see it be very narrow. And then if you lower that plate from your eye level, you will see it get larger. That's the same concept we're trying to do with all of our ovals here in our lantern. Darkening my lines now. Adding some vents for air. All right, we got our handle up on top. Now on the left-hand side, you can see I've already put the finished sketch along with the color version of our lantern, so you can, after we're done here, you can go back in and color it. So let's go back into our lanterns now that we have all these underline drawings, and sharpen and darken things up. And if you need to catch up, this would be a great time to stop the video, pause it, get caught up in your drawing, and you'll be ready to go. Okay, great job on drawing this lantern. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.